Congratulations on your new Genesis electric vehicle. Before driving off, let's go over some of the key features of your Genesis EV to make your drive home as enjoyable as possible. Your smart key fob can remotely lock and unlock your Genesis. The lock button has these raised dots to identify it by feel when in your pocket or in a bag. The unlock button can be found next to the lock button. After unlocking, press this button to open the charging door. For easy identification, the charging door open-close button is marked with a small triangle symbol. After opening, you'll be able to plug in your EV charger. A notification on the interior screens will appear, as well as an audible notification once charging is started.
Charging started.
Once charging is finished, press the unlock button to release the charger and then pull to remove it. The charging door can then be closed by pressing the open-close button again. Be sure to avoid placing your thumb over the door handle sensor, as this may cause the door to lock accidentally. Once seated, press down on the brake pedal and press this button to turn on your vehicle. Genesis vehicles use driver profiles to save customized settings such as seat position, illumination, and registration with Genesis Connected Services, or GCS. GCS is complimentary to you, and registration allows access to a variety of enhanced in-vehicle features, as well as the Genesis Intelligent Assistant mobile app. When you first turn on your vehicle, you may see a GCS registration screen on your infotainment display. If you have not already signed up for GCS, speak to a Genesis retailer representative for assistance or register through in-car enrollment. The steering wheel position can be adjusted by using this button on the side of the column. After these positions have been set, save them to memory by pressing the Set button, followed by the number 1 or number 2 memory buttons. To reset your save position, press the assigned memory button at any time. To register your phone with the vehicle for the very first time, press the phone calling button on the steering wheel for a shortcut to initial setup. Follow the prompts to wirelessly connect your phone using Bluetooth. If compatible, a prompt may appear asking if you'd like to connect to wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Press to enable the service, and it is recommended to allow all contacts and data to sync between your phone and vehicle for feature compatibility. To adjust the speaker volume inside your vehicle, you can rotate this knob on the center console or scroll this button on the steering wheel. If it's cloudy, dark, or dim outside, be sure to check your headlight settings. Twisting the headlight control stalk fully forward will manually turn on your headlights, although it is recommended to leave the headlights in the auto position. Check the battery charge level of your EV by looking at the battery icon in the instrument cluster display. If you'd like to find a nearby EV charging station, press the nav button on the center console. On the infotainment screen, select EV charging stations, and a list of nearby stations will appear. The stations listed may offer CCS or NACS-type chargers. Your EV utilizes an NACS-type charging port and will require the proper Genesis CCS to NACS adapter to charge at a CCS-type charging station. Speak to your Genesis representative to purchase the proper CCS to NACS adapters for your needs. Select only the fastest charging speed, press the back button, and the list will refresh with fast charging stations. To confirm the charger type in the new search results, select a charger and then press the information button. Detailed information on the charging station will appear, including the charger type. Select the charger, and the in-car navigation system will provide a route to follow. When you are ready to set off, press down on the brake pedal and turn the shift control knob clockwise until D for drive lights up. For reverse, turn the knob counterclockwise until R lights up. Press the P button in the center to place the vehicle into park. For easy visual confirmation of gear selection, the instrument cluster will display the currently selected gear just above and to the right of the speedometer. Now that you've seen some of the key features of your Genesis, it's time to finish final delivery of your vehicle and get on the road. For any questions or concerns, your Genesis retailer is always available. Or consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual. Thank you for watching, and welcome to Genesis.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.